Hi, I'm Clint Allen, and if you've made it here to this video, you've bought yourself a Chicago Electric Welding spot weld cutter. Specific Harbor Freight number 63657. We're going to show you what it is, how to use it, how to change the bit, and how to put it away so it'll last the rest of your life. In looking through the videos on YouTube, well, all I have to say is there's a whole lot of videos out there of idiots. That's why I'm here to show you how to use this. This right here is absolutely invaluable if you're doing any type of work to remove spot welds, obviously. So just simply, without wasting a whole lot of time here, here's the package from Harbor Freight. What do we have? We've got the bit itself. And then inside, believe it or not, there's instructions. Inside this nice little baggie here. Open that up, and it gives you some general information about the bit and some general information on supposedly how to reverse the cup, which isn't very good at all. So what you're going to need here is one drill with a 3/32 bit. This bit here can be a little bit larger, a little bit smaller. We don't have to get right down to the details, but I'm using a 3/32. Then you're going to need a second drill if you want to go faster. If all you have is one drill, then switch the bit to the drill and drill a bunch of holes and then switch to this bit right here. But I'm using the second one right here. Just goes faster. So let's take a look here on how to properly use this bit so you don't end up smashing it into obliteration. Come down here. So what we want to do is take the drill. Here's our spot weld. Smack dab right in the center. Now we're not trying to drill through the metal here. What we're trying to do is this tip right here needs a place where it doesn't slide out of and kick out of. And that is what the drill hole is for. Once again, we're not going all the way through the metal. See how that moves in and out? If you don't put that on there, what's going to happen as soon as you hit, it's just going to do that. So let's get it into the drill hole that is dead center. And ease into it. Don't ram it in there. Ease into it. High speed on the drill. Little bit around in a circle, just ever so slightly. Light pressure. And there we go. Now when you have a tight area like this, you got to be careful not to push all the way through and cut both sides. All we want to do is cut this part of the metal right here. In most cases, when you get through the first part of the sheet metal, it'll pop loose. But this is a tight area. It has a lot of welds on it. So what you're going to go through, you're going to do this on all the spot welds in that tight area. Once that's done, then you come back through and you pry it a little bit, and then it should just pop. It'll literally just make a pop. So as simple as that right there. So now what we'll do is we'll go over by the workbench here, and I'll show you how to remove and flip the tip or the cup or the cutting edge, whatever you want to call it. So here we just take the bit, put it in the vise, Take your pliers, lightly turn it, Flip it around. Screw it back on, tighten it up, and voila, you've now flipped the bit. As simple as that. Let's talk about storage now, and I'll show you how to store it away so it lasts forever. Now, I like to store my stuff away in the original package and hang it on the wall because I've got so much stuff in the shop that I might just forget it. And that's the way it is. But anyways, all we really want to do is stop corrosion. In most cases that anybody who's watching here knows, it's going to be out in your shop, out in the toolbox, out in conditions that are going to cause it to rust. So all we're going to do is take the bit, WD-40. If there's another product that you like to use for anti-rust, go ahead and use it. Not a problem. I'm just going to say WD-40. A little bit of squirt in there, nothing more than that, just, you know, a little boom. Simple as that. Put it back in the package and hang her on the wall, put it in your toolbox, whatever the case may be, and it will be ready for next time. The whole point, the whole effort here of showing you this is to this bit to last you forever, a one-time purchase. Ease into it. Slowly let the drill bit do the work. Don't try to bend it in half. Push it through the sheet metal. Slowly ease into it. Slowly ease out of it. Using the 3/32 drill bit or whatever drill bit size you'd like to use, the whole idea is to get a place for that tip to sit in there so it doesn't walk around on you. So I hope you've learned something today, and welcome to this tool tip.